Okay, guys, now this is the vending machine. So we're going to buy. So it's on. So that's what we order. Bison, Aqua, Astor, and then Pocari Sweat.
And the aqua
And then we pay
is
using Chris.
refilling my aqua bottle.
Yeah. And then those are all the products that they sell. And then we scan it, guys.
And it's gonna come out right here.
So this machine only receive payment using Chris. Can I detect it?
Can I open it?
Cannot.
Cek keranjang biru. Jadi produk. Mami cek keranjang biru.
Already done.
Where?
Before. The previous steps.
Where is the keranjang biru?
Here on the screen. Okay. Now you make payment and then look, Cha, the product will be dropped there. You open it, okay?
Okay.
Ambil di dalam.
Already? Oh, that one's dropped. What?
Ke dalam tanganmu.
Go inside, darling.
Mami ambil.
And then what else?
Aduh.
Oh, that's the aqua.
Aduh.
Help.
Taruh deh.
Yeah, let until all drop. Oh, Astor. Oh,
Taruh, Ceh.
and then this one, right? Pocari Sweat. Ah, this one.
Ntar mau keluar. Nah, dah.
Okay, now just get. Oh, you already get it, darling?
Nih.
Got the aqua. Should I put it in your bag?
Okay, so that's it, guys.
Mana udah?
How to order and use one vending machine, right,
Aquanya udah,
guys?
Ceh.